Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating power issues because most black screens are simple. First, verify the charger type and inspect the cable. If it has an LED, look for a steady light. Then, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown, release and wait about 10 seconds. Once done, plug into a different outlet or a proven 45W plus USB-C charger or power bank to confirm the Chromebook is actually receiving power. Next, isolate the Chromebook by removing all external devices because peripherals often interrupt boot. Make sure you disconnect SD cards, USB drives, and HDMI. Now perform a hard reset. Hold refresh and power together for about 10 seconds, then release. This resets the embedded controller without wiping data. While booting, listen for fan spin and watch status LEDs. Try starting both with the charger, attached and again on battery, to identify whether the issue is charging related or a deeper hardware fault. If the device still won't power on, attempt recovery mode. Press ESC plus refresh plus power and follow any on-screen prompts. This reloads Chrome OS without hardware repair. If recovery mode asks, create a USB recovery on another computer using the official image and retry. If the Chromebook remains unresponsive, inspect for a swollen battery or disconnected internal cables only if you're comfortable opening it. Otherwise, stop and consult authorized service. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid boot attempts with a visibly swollen battery, power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.